This is a grammar workshop. Yeah. So, communicative grammar workshop or grammar workshop, which comprises of written and oral both. It is thoroughly written classwork plus interactive session, written and oral. So you will be writing down sentences and answering questions, asking questions, or you can interact. So that is the first half of the session will be based on the written part. So what are we going to take into consideration in the day one? First of all, we'll talk about sentences in the present tense. So what else will it be? Tense is present tense, not past. First day present tense. So the tense is present. What is my subject? Subject is I. You cannot make a sentence without a subject. So there has got to be a subject. So my subject is I. Tense is present. Subject is I. And a sentence should have subject, verb, and object. So we are going to take into consideration verbs, which can be both main verb and helping verb. The verbs can be categorized into main verbs and helping verbs. What are the main verbs? Yes. Actions. Main are the action. I am writing. What is the main verb? Writing is the main verb. So what is am? Am is the helping auxiliary, helping verb, auxiliary word, modals, which helps. The modals are, they have two functions. The helping verbs have how many functions? Two functions. What are they? It tells you whether the subject is singular or plural. Right? She comes. The verb should always be in the fifth form. So it tells you whether the subject is singular or plural. Subject singular है या plural है, पहला function ये, ठीक है? Like they come, he comes. Ram and Shyam came. Ram and Shyam does come to school every day. When I'm seeing the word does, helping verb does, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? मेरा subject plural है. And he does come, singular. They do come. Ram and Shyam do come every day, plural. Ram and Shyam, they do come every day. And if I say she comes every day, she does come every day. She does means I'm talking about singular verb. So first is subject is singular or plural. You write down these tools. Subject singular. or plural. ध्यान में देख लीजिए, he does come, singular है, he does come. He does come. The does word, helping verb, decides, will tell you that the subject is singular. So this is singular. And they do come. They do come. So does will tell you the subject is singular. And do will tell you subject is plural. So the auxiliary verbs have two functions. The first you have seen, it decides whether the subject is singular or plural. And the second, no, they will tell you when the work is done. They will specify time. Yes, not yesterday. I did come yesterday. The did will say it is in past tense. Okay, it tells you time. When an action is performed. Time when an action is performed. For example, he did go, I had gone, I will go, I do come. So, I do come. Which tense is this? Present tense. This is present tense. I was at home. I was cooking. I was eating. I was studying. Past tense. I will come. Will tell you that the action has not happened. It will happen in the future.
Future tense.
Was is telling you, signifying that something which happened in the past. I was at home. I was cooking. I was eating. I was studying. I was playing. And I do come. This is the present tense. Present, past, and the future. So the auxiliary has two functions. What are they? They will tell you whether the subject is singular or plural. And number two, they will specify when the time, the action, the time of action. Right? So today's lesson, helping verbs and the main verbs. And then the sentence is made up of subject, verb, and object. So what will be my object? There will be nouns. क्या क्या ले रहे हैं आज हम लोग? सबसे पहले क्या ले रहे हैं? सब्जेक्ट हमारा है subject is I. Then the second point is we are taking verbs. Verb means actions, a main verb and helping both we are taking. Third is we are defining what is a helping verb, what are the functions of a helping verb, and then we are considering the subject, verb, and object. How do you make a sentence? Subject and verb and object. Right? For a sentence to be complete, there has to be a subject plus what? Sorry. Subject, verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. Can you make a sentence without a verb? Yes, no.
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 आप लिख लीजिए इसको. I am not able to find equal sign. Where is the plus sign? Subject plus verb plus object. You write down the subject plus verb plus object. This is a complete to make a sentence. This is complete required for making a sentence. Now, can you make a sentence without a verb? Can there be a sentence with only the auxiliary or the helping verb? No. Can there be a sentence without the main verb? Can there be a sentence without the main verb? No.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I am late. Is the sentence correct? Yes, it is correct.
Correct.
Where is the main verb?
Late.
Late.
Adverb.
Adverb. A sentence can be made with the auxiliary, with the helping word only. I am late. There is no main verb, but yes, there is a helping verb. So a sentence cannot be made without a helping or a main verb. Understood? And let us talk about nouns. What are nouns?
Noun is a name of person, place, animal.
Nouns are naming verbs. The kinds of nouns you need to know. For your homework, look up the different types of nouns. The proper noun, the common noun, gender noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, material noun, number nouns. Look it up. For your homework, for self-work, please look up all the kinds of nouns. The difference between abstract and material noun. What are gender nouns? What are someone can you tell you what are gender nouns? Genders कितने होते हैं? 2 होते हैं. Confused? Common gender, neutral gender, feminine, and masculine. Anyways, what are abstract nouns? Anyways, I'm giving assignment. Look up all the nouns for yourself. And pay attention to collective nouns, abstract nouns, gender nouns. Look it up. एक बार पढ़ के आइएगा उसको. ठीक है? Now let us start the workshop. As I said, the subject is I, and the tense is present. So I. Fill in the blanks with verbs. Fill in the blanks. With verbs. You can choose your own verbs.
अभिषेक माइक ऑफ कर लेना.
Yeah, somebody was saying something. I do. I do not. Why this capital all the time? People are still coming. What happens in a workshop? Everybody is working. I am working, you're working, everybody is working. I do not. I am. I have. I have been. Fill in the blanks with these. I do not, I am, I have been. Complete the sentence. Let us talk about your daily routine, your ongoing activities, your schedules, your interests, your hobbies, your interests. So your theme is your daily routine, whatever you want to speak. Complete the sentences with, let it be theme writing. Your daily routine, your schedule, ongoing activities. When you're writing, I do the first structure, use V1. I do not, V1 again. I. No. V1. I am. V4. I have. V3. I have been. V4. 2 minutes time to complete this. This is the theory part. You're writing a theme on your daily routine, right? Something which you do every day, something which you have been doing, something which is of your interest, whatever you do, your schedule, your timetable, whatever. All right. Those who have finished, read your sentence.
I do walk. I do not.
1 minute. I do walk. Where's the object? So
I do walk in the morning.
I do walk in the morning. I do the work.
No, ma'am.
The work is a noun.
I do study.
I do this work.
This is not a verb. आपको यहाँ पर verb लगाना है.
I do play in the evening.
Okay. I do play in the evening. Write down whatever sentence you're putting, write that down. I want subject, verb, and object. People who are online also make your sentences. I do work. I do work in the morning. So this work is a verb. Isn't it? All right. I do not.
I do not go for train.
Hmm?
Not go for train.
Somebody make a sentence. I do not.
I do not dance. I do not eat at night.
You do.
I do not dance.
Where's the object?
I do not eat at night. And I do not sing songs.
You do not.
I do not go for train.
I do not go to the market.
ठीक है.
I do not do it in proper way.
Why don't you do it in proper way? मैं अभी पूछूंगी सबसे, आपने जो स्टेटमेंट बनाया है ना, जब इंटरैक्टिव सेशन करेंगे एवरीबडी से पूछा जाएगा आपका सेंटेंस क्या है, then people will be in the interactive session. I do not go to the market, I'm taking this. Why you guys are late? I do not go to the market, fine. Next, I plus B1.
I am buying a new car.
I am buy a new car.
No, ma'am.
My God. I के बाद B1 लगाना है ना, I am buy कहाँ से हो गया?
I go to Patna.
Please make a good sentence. I plus B1. ये play छोड़ना और कोई वर्ड लो ना. Play. क्या?
I live in Patna, ma'am.
I'm writing the book.
I writing the book.
I am writing.
I के बाद writing होगा क्या? I am कहाँ चले गए?
I eat, ma'am. I eat, ma'am.
तुम मैम को खाते हो?
I write a letter.
अच्छा 1 मिनट. अच्छा, आपका डेली रूटीन है, आप डेली पता नहीं क्या लेटर लिखते हैं, किसको लिखते हैं? तो आई राइट.
छोटा बिम्पा दिने खुदिया में मम्मी से कमा बोले नहीं
I write daily.
एक मिनट.
ऐसे नहीं देखता.
आपको मना किया जा रहा है कि आप लोग माइक्रोफोन म्यूट रखिएगा अपना. ये किसके घर से इतनी आवाजें आ रही है? अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया? माइक्रोफोन म्यूट रखिए, जब बोलना होगा तो ऑन कीजिएगा. We do not know want to know what's going on in your house. All right. I write letters. जब आप नाउन पर यहाँ पर आएंगे तो आपका नाउन यहाँ पर नंबर देख लीजिएगा. I sing songs. I write letters. I attend my classes. आपका नाउन हमेशा होना चाहिए यहाँ पर प्लोरल. ठीक है, इसलिए कि आप एक चिट्ठी थोड़ी लिखते हैं. I write business letters. I sing songs. हाँ, नहीं आया तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं आएगा तो फिर भी तो लेटर बनेगा ना, सेंटेंस बनेगा ना. क्या आप एक ही चिट्ठी लिखते हैं? आज भी वही लिखेंगे, कल भी वही लिखेंगे. आई राइट अ लेटर एवरी डे तो ठीक होता है, बट आई राइट लेटर्स आपने कोई आर्टिकल यूज नहीं किया है, तो मैं चिट्ठियां लिखता हूँ. आई राइट लेटर्स. आई सिंग सॉन्ग्स, मैं गाने गाता हूँ. ठीक है, द नाउन विल बी इन प्लूरल. ठीक है, आई राइट लेटर्स. I am.
I am going to market.
मार्केट
I
छोड़
am
दो.
going to Kolkata.
नहीं, आप तो क्लास में बैठे हो. अच्छी सेंटेंस बनाइए कोई.
I am writing the book.
या व्हाट?
I am writing a letter.
I am not कहाँ आ रहा है यहाँ पर? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस थोड़ी बनाना है.
I am writing the book.
I am attending the
राइटिंग
class.
छोड़ो ना, राइटिंग तो जो वर्ड बोल चुके हैं उसको ड्रॉप करो, कुछ और वर्ड ले लो.
I am attending the class now.
Please make meaningful sentences.
I am liking the classes.
I am like.
Purchasing a new car.
I am reading a book.
All right.
I am attending the class right now.
यहाँ पर अ क्यों लगेगा और पहले वाले में अ क्यों नहीं लगा? इसलिए कि आप इस वक्त क्या कर रहे हैं? Right now I am reading a book.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, I am reading. I am का मतलब ही होता है action happening at the time of talking. So I am reading a book. Present continuous हो जाता है. इस वक्त आप क्या कर रहे हैं? तो आप एक किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. I have का हिंदी मीनिंग क्या होता है? कोई
I
काम जो
have
आप
eaten a mango.
सब
I
लोग
have played cricket.
मैंगो ही क्यों? हाँ?
I have bought a book.
I have played cricket.
I have played
football.
I have a packet कहाँ से
I
होगा?
have written.
I have done my homework.
आप देखा करो, I have के बाद V3 है.
I have done my homework.
I am written a book.
बाप रे, कौन सी किताब लिखी हो तुम भाई?
नहीं लिखे मतलब लिख लेंगे.
हाँ नहीं लिखे, लेकिन आप लिख लेंगे. I have, हम एक किताब लिख लो ग्रामर वर्कशॉप पे, बन जाएगा आपका. I have done my homework. और ये इतना सरल वर्कशॉप है ना कि आप किसी और को सिखा सकते हो, समझा सकते हो, बता सकते हो, एकदम क्लियर, शीशे की तरह क्लियर हो जाता है. I have done my work का मतलब क्या है? कोई काम जो आप जो समथिंग विच इज डन, मैंने काम कर लिया है. Done something which is finished. I have been.
I have been waiting for you since morning.
Since भी लगता है, for भी लगता है. Point of time and period of time. I've been waiting.
I have been writing a letter.
Writing छोड़ दो, कुछ और बोलो.
For my
I've
Playing
been
in
waiting for
Pa.
2 hours. I have been waiting for 2 hours. And I have been waiting since morning. क्या फर्क दोनों सेंटेंस में है? हाँ, स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया गया है 2 घंटे कब से कब तक, लेकिन यहाँ पर वेटिंग फॉर 2 आवर बता दिया गया है और वेटिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग कह रहे हैं, तो स्पेसिफाइड कर दिए हैं कि सुबह से वेट किया जा रहा है. द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. So this was the present tense. Now let us work out what do you mean by these sentences. I do work in the morning. इसका हिंदी मतलब क्या हुआ?
मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा
मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
मैं सुबह में काम करता हूँ.
हूँ.
तो फिर I work in the morning का मतलब क्या हुआ? हाँ?
मैं
क्या
सुबह
मैम?
से काम कर रहा हूँ.
कर रहा हूँ. तो I am working for 2 hours क्या हो गया?
मैं सुबह से काम करता रहा हूँ.
हाँ? I have been working. उसका स्ट्रक्चर तो I have been working है. इसका हिंदी में नहीं बताइए. I do work in the morning. Give me
मैं
the हिंदी
सुबह में
में.
काम करता
मैं
हूँ.
सुबह में काम करता हूँ.
अच्छा, तो I work in the morning का मतलब क्या हुआ?
सेम मैम.
I do मतलब रोज करते
नहीं.
हैं, करता हूँ मतलब कभी कभी करते हैं.
मैं सुबह में काम करता तो हूँ.
Give me the Hindi meaning. I do work in the morning.
मैं सुबह में काम करता रहता हूँ.
हैं? करता रहता हूँ. I have been working in the morning. सारे रॉन्ग हो रहे हैं. आपके बताइए क्या?
मैं
क्या
सुबह
sentence?
काम करता हूँ.
I work in the morning. ये do का क्या चक्कर यहाँ पर है? Why this?
मैम तो
ये auxiliary यहाँ पर क्यों लगा हुआ है? Helping verb क्यों लगा हुआ है?
हेल्पिंग वर्ब है.
हाँ, तो क्यों लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे? नहीं भी लग सकता है. सुबह
नहीं
में ही
लगता
करता
तो
हूँ.
मतलब वर्ब 5
I
लगता.
only work in the morning. सुबह ही भी काम करते हैं.
मैम वर्क पे जोर दिया जा रहा है. काम करता ही तो हूँ. करता ही तो हूँ.
अच्छा, वर्क पे जोर दिया जा रहा है कि डू पे जोर दिया जा रहा है?
वही डू पे.
डू पे.
ठीक है. इस
मैम डू
सेंटेंस
नहीं
को,
लगता तो
हाँ डू लगा हुआ है.
5 लगता. डू नहीं लगता तो वर्ब 5 लगता.
नहीं, आई लगा हुआ है. आई के साथ V5 कैसे लगेगा?
यस मैम.
ही शी वर्क्स, एनी नेम. अच्छा, इस सेंटेंस जब डू लग गया है, डू का मतलब होता है आप एम्फसाइज कर रहे हैं. यू आर, एक एम्फेसिस एक हो जाता है, एक वर्ड को एम्फसाइज, हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, आप स्ट्रेस कर रहे हैं डू पे. आई डू वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग. दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्फैटिक सेंटेंस. क्या सेंटेंस है ये? एम्फैटिक. एम्फैटिक मतलब जोर लगा के बोल रहे हैं. आई वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग. आई डू वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग. ठीक है, जोर लगा रहे हैं यहाँ पे, सेंटेंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना रहे हैं. आई डू बिलीव in my hard work. I do believe you. I do believe you. यहाँ मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I do believe in myself. I do attend my classes. Sentence क्या हो जाता है? Strong हो जाता है. I believe you and I do believe you. फर्क है कि नहीं? क्या पता चलता है सेकंड सेंटेंस में? दोनों का मतलब तो एक ही है, लेकिन which sentence is stronger? I believe you. I do believe you. I do believe you. एक तरह का अगर किसी बात को assert करना है, emphasize करना है, अपने सेंटेंस को strong बनाना है, तो अब क्या बोलेंगे? आप do लगाएंगे emphatic sentence में. All right, the next, I do not waste time. I do not go to the market. I do not stay after 7. I do not gossip. I do not fight. I do not argue. I do not quarrel. I do not talk unnecessarily. क्या क्या चीजें आप नहीं करते? I do not tell lies. I am using all the verbs over here. I do not tell lies. I do not waste time. I do not fight. I do not quarrel. I do not argue. Huh? Don't shorten form में do not का. I do not. I don't. लिखने में आप do not बोलेंगे, बोलने में आप don't बोलेंगे, ठीक है? I don't. ठीक है? Contracted form, shortened form of do not. I am reading a book. Action happening at the time of talking. I am speaking to you. I am taking a class. I. Daily routine, daily work. I attend my class. I come at 5 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I read the newspaper. I watch the news on TV. I iron my clothes. I make tea. I prepare breakfast. I leave my house at 8:30. I come to class at 9. Something which is happening on a daily basis, daily routine, right? I write letters. I reply to all the mail. यहाँ क्या करें? I'm using all the verbs. And my theme is क्या? मेरा आज का theme क्या है हम लोगों का? Daily routine, schedule, timetable, ongoing activities happening on a daily basis. I am reading a book. I am taking a class. I am talking about the grammar workshop. I am writing sentences. I am preparing for my exams. I am practicing my spoken English. मैंने क्या यूज किया? I have used all the verbs. मैं कर रही हूँ. Action happening at the time of talking. The Hindi meaning is मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I'm reading a book. पढ़ रही हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am writing letters. My letters लिख रही हूँ. Please write down the Hindi meaning for your understanding. ताकि बाद में आपको दिक्कत नहीं हो, आप परेशान ना हो, because grammar workshop में जो होता है, English, Hindi, whatever language which you understand, write down the sentences. I have, yes, what? Yeah, I'm learning to you. I am teaching you. I am teaching you. मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं, मैं पढ़ रहा हूं, पढ़ा रहा हूं टीचिंग, पढ़ रहा हूं सीख रहा हूं, आई एम लर्निंग, सीख रहे हैं, ठीक है। आई हैव डन माई वर्क, मैंने काम कर लिया है। आई हैव हैड माई ब्रेकफास्ट, देखिए कैसे हैव हैड दोनों लगता है। I have had lunch. Have क्या हो गया? हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो गया। Had क्या हो गया? मेन वर्ब हो गया। I have had lunch. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस चल रहा, पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या? हाँ तो V3 लगेगा ना। I have spoken to director sir about Rangoli competition. I have told you. I have spoken. I have come here. आ चुका हूँ, मैं बात कर चुका हूँ, मैंने लंच कर लिया है। आई हैव हैड माई लंच, आई हैव टेकन माई लंच। हाँ, आई हैव हैड लंच, मैंने लंच कर लिया है। आई हैड लंच, मैंने कर लिया है, लेकिन रॉन्ग है, हैव लगेगा ही लगेगा। जब हैड के पहले हैव लगना ही है, हैव लगना है, जरूरी मेन वर्ब लगना है। अगर मैंने ले लिया था, आई हैड हैड लंच, कल की बातें हो रही है, पास्ट टेंस की। आई हैड हैड लंच। तो अभी हम प्रेजेंट टेंस के बारे में बात करें। आई हैव हैड लंच मतलब मैंने लंच कर लिया। आई हैव स्पोकन, आई हैव डन माई वर्क, आई हैव फिनिश्ड माई वर्क, आई हैव अटेंडेड माई क्लासेस। Students of Bridge 3 have gone home. The last I have been waiting for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I have been waiting since morning. मैं सुबह से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। Understood? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can we have the interactive session? Yes. Now you will be reading your sentences and students will be asking you questions. Either किसी का sentence पढ़ के या तो आप question पूछेंगे या react करेंगे, ठीक है? For example, somebody please, you read your sentence, first sentence. What's your sentence? I do read online books. Okay, that's nice. ये क्या हो गया? मैंने कहा that's nice. It means please take the microphone. या तो आप रिएक्शन देंगे या क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, ठीक है? ये अभी हम पूछ रहे हैं, बाद में आपको करना है, because the second part is totally interactive. Yes, again. No, same. I do read online books. That's nice. Which books have you read? That's good. Next. I do not attend class online, because I am already attending it offline. That is really very good, because you should be attending offline classes to interact with the teacher, and face-to-face interaction is quite good. So it is good that for students who are attending offline classes. ये हम जो बोल रहे हैं ये आपको बोलना है in a totally interactive session. Next sentence. I shop online. Do you think is it really good shopping online? I get good products. I find good products. All right, that's good. Oh, what's wrong? Because of my leg pain. Okay, please take care. I have already eaten my lunch. What did you have for lunch? Okay, what is the product like? Yeah, very good. So did you understand? Either you interact or you give a question. Now give the microphone to two people. Switch on the light first. Now I want two persons who's going to read, who are going to read the sentences.
I can play in the kitchen.
1 minute. Yeah. You ask. He is going to give the question, give the statement. You will be answering.
I can play in the kitchen.
Is the microphone on first of all? Give. You are going to make the statement and she's going to interact and she's going to ask you questions. Just like how I did to her. No, let him make his sentences.
I do not go for playing.
Playing. You already said that you play hide and seek. Why playing?
I read the newspaper in the morning. Thank you.
Today's news. Some important news.
Yes, of course, like education. And I'm already read. I'm already read like sport question.
Please, your sentence should be correct. ठीक है, जो भी sentences आप बोलो grammatically correct होना चाहिए. Yes, I read the newspaper every day. जो भी आप सेंटेंस बोलना है वो करेक्ट होना चाहिए, ठीक है? नहीं तो फिर गलत आदत लग जाएगी तो प्रॉब्लम होगा.
I am going to market with my friend.
What are you going to buy?
But I want to buy a new car. I have done my 12 in last year and you.
Okay. And then your mom.
My marks were 25%.
My mark is present tense हो रहा है ना, was नहीं.
मतलब मैं
हाँ नहीं, अभी आप is बोलेंगे बिकॉज प्रेजेंट टेंस बारे में. मेरा मार्क्स आया, इतना आया है, आया था नहीं.
I have been waiting for 2 hours.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Because I have to go for something by new.
Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for?
Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting? किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Whom are you waiting for?
My friend.
I'm waiting for my friend. Yes, start. The person next to you. Who else?
I do the task even at I do the task when I forget.
I do. The is not a verb.
I do my task even
My is not a verb.
I do with junk food. Junk food. Oh, it's so simple. I do not eat fast food.
Just now you said you eat junk food, and now you're saying you don't eat fast food. Are you out of your mind? Have you lost it?
No, ma'am. My next question. I am not too bad eating it.
Please make sense, huh? Okay, give the microphone to the person behind you. Yeah.
I do it early in the morning. Oh yeah, it is a good.
अच्छा आप भी सुबह पढ़ते हैं. Same here. That's nice. Same here.
That's nice. Same here. I do not eat at night.
Same here. बच्चा तो इजीली पकड़ लेता है, जो इजीली बोल रहा है सेम ईयर, हर बात में सेम ईयर. ऑलराइट, पीछे माइक माइक दो.
I do play in the morning. I also like to play in the morning.
Good. That's great. That's nice. That's awesome. Oh wow. एक्सप्रेशन आपका है, आप जैसे भी बोलिए. स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीखना है ना, एकदम से शुरू हो जाइए, सोचिए मत. क्या?
I don't study in the morning.
That's bad. That's really bad. You should study in the morning. Huh?
But I wake up 7 a.m. and I like to study in the evening. I also like to study in my
Oh, same year again, a same year. That's bad. Terrible. Oh no. Oh really? That's bad. Give the microphone to the person behind you. Next time I'll call somebody on the podium and somebody will be here and the whole class will be interacting with him. This workshop will be complete only if you write correct sentences and come out openly in an interactive session. Theory and practical. Okay, last 1 minute. Somebody behind you. I've already given you this pair work. एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं, 3-4 लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं, ग्रुप में बात कर सकते हैं. Like one statement and 5 persons can interact. All right, that's it for today. Yeah, 25 people online.